Good morning. Today we are going to solve one objective question. It is asked in Bhubaneswar University for entrance exam. The question is the total current supplied to the circuit by the battery is. Okay. One circuit is given like this and one power supply is there and the power supply is 12 volt. Okay. And we have to find out the current supplied by this 12 volt to this circuit. Now, if they have given a circuit like this, then we have to find out the total resistance, because they are asking current, what is the current, and we know the formula V is equal to IR. Okay. Now, V is given, they are asking I, and or they have not given the total resistance, they have given some network connection. Therefore, we have to find out the equivalent resistance of all these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 resistances. Okay. Now, we have to redraw the circuit. How to redraw? Okay. That is the challenge for us. Okay. See, by looking the circuit, you can understand this 2 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Okay. This 2 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Okay. If you put this in parallel, then this 1.5 and this parallel are in series. Okay. This 1.5 and this parallel combination, okay, are in series. Okay. After that, this combination and this 3 ohm are in parallel. Okay. And this 1.5 and this combination are in series. After that, this 3 ohm is parallel to this. Therefore, we can redraw the circuit. I have already drawn the circuit to avoid more time. Okay. Because if I draw, then it will take time. Therefore, I have drawn the circuit. Here, this 2 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. As I told you, this 2 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Okay. Therefore, this is in parallel, and after that this 1.5, okay, is in series with this, as I told you. Okay. Therefore, here this is in series, and this combination is parallel with this 3 ohm. Now, what we have to do? We have to find out this one. If we find 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, because both are in parallel, which is equal to 6. Here it is 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 by 6. Okay. Or you can say it is 6 by 4. Resistance is 6 by, this is 1 by R, this is 1 by R, because it is in parallel. Therefore, resistance equal to 6 by 4. 6 by 4 equal to what? 1.5. 6 by 4 equal to 1.5 ohm. Therefore, this is equal to 1.5. This both are equal to 1.5. Therefore, this 1.5 and this 1.5 are in series. Therefore, this 1.5 and this 1.5, okay, 1.5 and 1.5 are in series. Therefore, it is 3 ohm, and this 3 ohm is in parallel with this 3 ohm. Okay. This 3 ohm. This becomes 1.5 and this is 1.5. Therefore, 1.5 equal to 3 ohm. That means 3 plus 1 by 3, okay, because both are in parallel. Therefore, 1 by R equal to 1 by R equal to 1 by 3 by 1 by 3, okay, which is equal to 2 by 3, okay, or resistance equal to 3 by 2, resistance equal to 3 by 2. That means total resistance of the circuit is 3 by 2. The potential is given by the power supply is 12 volt. Therefore, current I is equal to 12 volt divided by this resistance, okay. Therefore, this is 3 by 2. Therefore, 3 by 2 means 4, and this 2 goes to numerator. Therefore, 2, therefore 8 amperes, okay. The current supplied is 8 amperes. Now, how to do this? I will explain once again. If a circuit is given like this, first we have to find out the total resistance. To find out the total resistance, we have to analyze how the circuit is connected. These two are in parallel. Therefore, we are redrawing the circuit, and this parallel combination is in series with this, and these two are connected in parallel, okay. These two are connected in parallel. Now, we are finding this one first. After that, we are finding this and total resistance of this arm, and this arm is parallel, and we are finding the total resistance of the circuit. If you find the total resistance of the circuit, then you can find out simply what is the current, voltage by resistance, okay. Now, the current supplied to this, the current supplied to the circuit by the battery is 8 amperes, okay. Understand? 8 amperes. It is a question asked by a Bhubaneswari University for their entrance exam of engineering, okay. In next lecture we can see further some questions, okay. Thank you.